Hey YouTube fam, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't done any full videos lately because my computer's in the shop. I'm getting the memory upgraded on my computer. I was out of memory on my C drive, which was the solid state drive, which was the best for doing all my editing and everything. Anyway, it's in the shop and I'll be getting it back probably sometime next week and I'll go back to doing full videos. So I just got a couple of announcements here. I'm just going to do a one-take video real quick like this just to touch base with you guys and let you guys know I'm still around. I've been doing a lot of shorts and still been flying and stuff, but my computer, I don't have it right now, so just been making do with what I have till I get it back. But I wanted to make a couple of announcements here and then show you guys a few things. I'm switching to DJI for FPV. As you can see, I got the DJI remote and the DJI goggles, and then I got this. This drone here has already got a CADX Vista in it. It's a iFlight Chimera. I'm gonna flip you guys around in a minute and show it to you. A lot of broken stuff. Almost every car. I think I got one or two cars that work, and almost all the rest of my RC stuff is back there in shambles, all tore up. But I'm gonna get there. If you guys want to help the channel and you guys want to help me make sure I stick around, some of you could go sign up for my Patreon. That'd be amazing. I really could use the help in keeping the channel going with keeping the cars fixed and everything like that. Once I get to 1,000 subs, I'm gonna give that Tamiya away. I still got it. Wait until I get to 1,000 subs, and then I'm gonna do a giveaway on it. It's probably going to be to Patreon members only. I got to have some kind of incentive to get you guys over there and sign up for me. Any of you guys that like this channel and stuff and want to support what I got going on here and all the good stuff I plan to do, go over there and sign up for a Patreon. It'd greatly help me keep stuff going. Anyway, I don't want to talk here too much, so let's try to see if we can flip you around here and show you what I got going on. So I had somebody in the comments ask me about my Stark. This is my Stark 5-inch 6S quad. Almost all the parts from this came out of the FPV crates. So the frame came out of the FPV crates. I got these skids right there. You can see in the camera those skids. I got those in the FPV crate. The whole frame came in the FPV crate. The propellers came in the FPV crate. This is a Joshua Bardwell run cam. That came in the FPV crate. And then I got my T-Motor stacked there. It's a T-Motor ESC and T-Motor flight controller. And I got a rush tank. I had to buy that. And then I got a buzzer. And then I got a crossfire on the back of it there. I had to buy that stuff. But most of this drone, the motors came in the FPV crate. Most of this drone came in the FPV crate. I'd say about 60 to 75% of it came in the FPV crate. And then I had to buy a few parts to complete it. I got my Insta mount on there. It works great. And here's the real surprise. I got the MoonGoat frame from Cricket and MoonGoat, and I got a DJI air unit right here. I'm gonna build this MoonGoat frame, and I'm gonna put this DJI air unit in it. So that's a future project that's coming. You guys let me know down in the comments if you want me to film that build or not. If I don't get a lot of response, then I'm not gonna make a video about it. I'll just build it off camera. But if you guys want to see me build that MoonGoat and with the DJI air unit in it, let me know down in the comments. If you do, if I get a good response, then I'll film it and I'll make a video about me building it. And then right here, I got this iFlight Chimera long-range freestyle drone, and it's got a CADX Vista in it. I don't know if I can get the foam out. Maybe I can. I don't want this video to get too long either. But yeah, this has got the CADX Vista. See it right there? It's got the CADX Vista and a HD camera. So that drone is going to hook to the DJI goggles, and I'm going to be flying in HD. flying with an HD image. So this is not really an unboxing video or a flight video or anything. I just wanted to show you guys a couple things here and touch base with you. Like I said, I hadn't done a regular video in a while for my computer being gone. And I had some people asking, wanting to see this. So I wanted to show you guys what my, I got the Xylo stealth motors on there, 1700 kV. This is my Stark drone. It runs 6S. And yeah, I love it. It's great. It works perfectly. I'm doing a little, Cement Kid's been helping me do a little bit of tuning on it to get a little bit more snappy. So when I do my rolls and stuff, it'll stick. So anyway, guys, I'm going to have analog and digital now. So this Stark, I'm not changing this Stark. I'm keeping this on analog on my box goggles, my Ishin box goggles with my Tyrannus QX7 remote. But this drone here, this iFlight Chimera, is going to be on the DJI system. And then I'm building this MoonGoat. Like I said, like I told you guys, I'm building this MoonGoat from Cricket and UmaGod. And I'm going to put the DJI Air unit in it. So that'll be on the DJI goggles. So I'll have a couple quads on DJI that are digital. And I'll have a couple quads on analog. And I'm just going to keep it that way. I'm going to have two separate systems. So over here, I wanted to show you guys this stuff too. This is my Stingy V2 quad. I had a bad motor on it and I couldn't find a single motor. So I had to order a whole new set of motors. I had 1700 kV. Well, now I got 1800 kV. It's still going to be a 6S quad, but yeah, I just got to finish buttoning it up and test it and see how it works, see if it's going to work, and that quad will be back ready to go. I broke my iFlight IX2. I broke the arm on it there, as you see. So I took all the parts off of it and I put them on this. This is a 2.5-inch quad. I think it's a GEP RC. Yeah, it's GEP RC. And the motor wires weren't quite long enough, so I had to add in LEDs to extend the length of the motor wires. About got that project done, and that one will be back up in the air. I like this one because it'll carry an Insta, but it's still tiny, so you can do more stuff, more freedom with it. And then this is the bad news about this video. Here's my Flywoo. And I don't know if you guys seen the video, but in one video, I smacked this onto the pavement, and I smashed the buzzer, and I broke that plug underneath the buzzer to the GPS. And when it smacked, the antenna, right there, the antenna wire that goes to the VTX, it popped off. So I guess I'm pretty sure I burned up my VTX. So anyway, this one's down for right now. I got to exchange some parts. I might be converting this to DJI. I'm not sure yet. It just depends on what I have to do to get it working again. But yeah, I got to tear into that one and figure out what I got to replace to get it going. And then all this stuff over here, this is all broken stuff. Down there, everything. All broken. All broken. Up there, over there, broken. All broken. I literally got like, and then my Creighton, my 12S Creighton that I was building, the ESC is fried, or it needs reset, or it needs something. I can't figure out what to do with it because it won't function right. It's like it's messed up. I don't know what to do about it. Now, I'm good at RC, but that thing's got me stumped. I should have never bought that off-branded ESC. It's just no good. It ain't been around long enough to get the bugs worked out of it. Anyway, guys, I guess that's going to be enough of me rambling. I'm just trying to catch up with you guys and show you what all's going on and what's coming to the channel soon. And as soon as I get my computer back, I'm going to hammer down and make some great videos for you guys. So make sure and subscribe and smash that bell so you're notified when I upload. And get ready for a fun ride. Go check out my Patreon if it's on your heart. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.